chicken sweet and sour with steamed rice recipe. Welcome, everyone, to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making so. Let's get started. Chef S.K. Rajesh best simple recipe. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients for chicken sweet and sour. 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. 1 onion, sliced. 1 bell pepper, sliced. 1 carrot, sliced. 1 cup pineapple chunks. 1/4 cup vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons ketchup. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, dissolved in 2 tablespoons water. Salt and pepper to taste. Oil for cooking. Ingredients for steamed rice: 2 cups jasmine rice. 4 cups water. Instructions for chicken sweet: answer. Heat oil in a pan or wok over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed and add the sliced onion, bell pepper, and carrot. Stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables are slightly softened. In a small bowl, mix together the vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, brown sugar, salt, and pepper. Pour this sauce mixture over the vegetables in the pan. Add the pineapple chunks to the pan and stir everything together. Allow the sauce to come to a simmer. Stir in the dissolved cornstarch mixture into the pan and cook for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens. Add the cooked chicken back into the pan and stir to coat it with the sweet and sour sauce. Cook for a few more minutes until everything is heated through. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. You can add more sugar or vinegar to alter the sweetness or sourness according to your preference. Instructions for steam address: rinse a jasmine rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a medium-sized saucepan, add the rinsed rice and water. Place the lid on the saucepan. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let the rice simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the water is fully absorbed and the rice is cooked. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the rice sit, covered, for about 5 minutes to steam. Fluff the. And that's it. Thank you for joining us in this cooking tutorial, and happy cooking!